Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent with Looki. I'm your host, Looki. Ready to conquer your next international flight with confidence? If you're about to jet off to a new corner of the world, or you're planning a future adventure, this video is your essential guide to navigating the airport smoothly and speaking English with ease. Stick with me, and you'll transform those pre-flight jitters into a sense of empowered excitement. So don't skip. Watch till the end. I promise you'll feel confident answering this question anywhere. And yes, if the video is useful to you, be sure to subscribe to the channel because we are constantly updating our videos to make your English learning journey easier. Let's paint a picture. You've just landed, adrenaline pumping. You approach airport immigration, ready to start your adventure. But then, the officer asks a seemingly simple question in English, and suddenly your mind draws a blank. Your heart races, a bead of sweat trickles down your forehead, and you feel the pressure of a long line of travelers waiting behind you. It's a scenario many English learners have faced, but it doesn't have to be your story. The truth is, airport communication doesn't have to be daunting. Airport staff, while incredibly efficient, often use specific phrases and terms that you won't typically find in standard textbooks. You're learning English, but not airport English. Until now. What if I told you there's a secret? A way to confidently stride through check-in, breeze through security, and confidently communicate with airport staff, all without feeling overwhelmed. The secret isn't mastering endless vocabulary lists or complex grammar. It's focusing on a curated set of essential phrases. You really only need to arm yourself with about 35 key phrases to navigate the entire airport experience, from the moment you step inside to the second you sink into your seat. Think of it as your airport English survival kit. And that's exactly what we're going to build in this video. We're going to go through each phrase together. Are you ready to start? Let's do this. First, the check-in counter. I'd like to check in for my flight. This is your go-to opening line. Direct, polite, and gets the ball rolling immediately. Try it. I'd like to check in for my flight. Here's my passport and boarding pass. This phrase is a polite way to hand over the essential documents needed for processing. Practice it. Here's my passport and boarding pass. I have one bag to check. If you need to check bags, this simple phrase will help. Repeat, I have one bag to check. Can I get a window seat? Who doesn't love a view? It is best to make your request early with this short phrase. Repeat with me. Can I get a window seat? Is my flight on time? If you want to find out if there is any delay with your flight, repeat after me. Is my flight on time? Where do I drop off my luggage? Use this phrase if you have outsized luggage to drop. Let's say the phrase now. Where do I drop off my luggage? How much does my bag weigh? This will help you avoid those excess luggage charges. Let's say the phrase together. How much does my bag weigh? Can I carry this on board? This will help you know if the item is allowed on board. Let's repeat it together. Can I carry this on board? Which gate is my flight? If there are many gates, this is how you find out which one is the correct one for your flight. Repeat after me. Which gate is my flight? What time does boarding start? This will help you stay organized to arrive just in time. Say this now. What time does boarding start? Amazing! You have now conquered the check-in part of your journey. Feels so much more manageable, doesn't it? And those phrases, they're your new superpowers at the airport. I hope you're feeling confident. Let's move on. Now we are at the security and immigration gate. Some people can find this process daunting, but not you, because you have your phrases. I need to go through security. If you have forgotten something, this can help. Repeat, I need to go through security. Can I keep my shoes on? To find out if you need to take off your shoes, you need to ask. Here it is. Can I keep my shoes on? Where do I put my laptop? Don't find yourself in the wrong place with your laptop. You need to ask. Say this. Where do I put my laptop? Is this line for international flights? To avoid getting in the wrong queue, ask away. Repeat with me. Is this line for international flights? Here's my passport, please. When you give your passport to the officer, say this phrase in a polite manner. Let's try it together. Here's my passport, please. I'm here for tourism. If they ask why you're traveling, a simple answer is best. This would be, I'm here for tourism. I'm here for business. If it's a business trip, say this. I'm here for business. I'm staying for 2 weeks. A short, accurate answer is best. You can say, I'm staying for 2 weeks. I'm staying for 1 week. Alternatively, you can also say, I'm staying for 1 week. Yes, I'm traveling alone. This is what you say if you are making the journey on your own. It is, yes, I'm traveling alone. No, I'm traveling with my family. This is what you say if you are making the journey with your family. It is, no, I'm traveling with my family. Here's my return ticket. Now practice with me saying, here's my return ticket. Yes, I have my hotel reservation. Now let's practice, yes, I have my hotel reservation. I have nothing to declare. You can practice, I have nothing to declare. These are personal items only. Let's try, these are personal items only. That wasn't so hard, was it? You've just handled the more intimidating part of the airport like a pro. Now let's move on to those phrases for the flight. These last few phrases are easy. They will make the experience more enjoyable. Excuse me, is this gate B12? Finding your gate is a big stress. Use this phrase and solve it quickly. Excuse me, is this gate B12? When do we start boarding? Don't be late for boarding. Let's all repeat, when do we start boarding? Can I see your boarding pass? Learn from those doing the work with these phrases. Can I see your boarding pass? This is my seat, 14A. Get straight to the point. This is my seat, 14A. Can you help me with my bag? There is no shame in asking for help. Can you help me with my bag? Could I have some water, please? Stay hydrated for your travels. Repeat, could I have some water, please? What time do we land? It is always good to know when we arrive. What time do we land? Can I get a blanket? Host, to have more comfort with this short question, can I get a blanket? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? You should always know. Make sure to repeat, excuse me, where's the bathroom? Thank you for your help. Finally, always be thankful for their service. Repeat with me, thank you for your help. Boom, just like that. You have now armed yourself with the 35 essential phrases for confident communication in any airport. From confidently striding through check-in to effortlessly landing at your destination, you're equipped to handle any situation with grace and ease. You are now a confident explorer, ready to start your next journey. We really hope this has helped. If you enjoyed this, please like our video and subscribe to the channel.